I survived the frustrating journey of trying to shed stubborn belly fat by diving into targeted exercises that truly work. I spent countless hours experimenting and perfecting a routine that fit into my busy life. And I saved myself from the confusion of endless fad diets and ineffective workouts. Every morning, I built my routine around exercises like Russian twists, mountain climbers, and bicycle crunches. These moves were essential in targeting and burning belly fat. My evenings included high-intensity interval training height to keep my metabolism revving and torching calories. Despite facing challenges like initial soreness and a dip in motivation, I stayed committed. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I got to see incredible changes not just in my body, but also in my mindset. My belly fat significantly reduced, my energy levels soared, and my mental clarity improved. These exercises transformed my overall health and boosted my confidence. My tip is to track your progress and stay consistent. Even small steps lead to big results. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in the description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. By integrating these exercises into my daily routine, I built a healthier, more vibrant version of myself. You can too. Start your journey today and embrace the transformation.